o de fa o de be sa se de fifa ho na na se
Gabi mamindi areho se mon komo wi famra kakra na ensanya futu emfama ye krum ha footballers no mo mbitini anya kwan etu kwan akwa abrochi no.
Okay.
And yans yemfa bi mobra uye ni path bi obra because Gabi wuti ai obi nim ada ade be chiam otu kwan.
Yes, of course.
Ebia me kase wu akodonku ebu ha se ya onim se ebia ono ana ne hyesu awu aye bibia bet akwantuo be bamu na afi
de
mentality be bia wo kono. Do you know? Because nobody can predict the future. Do you know say a bit ni akoni di amawana what you were expecting would you get from there? Now, the entina me this ankomo. I'm Pep Guardiola. Time obe take over Manchester City in the first 11 me the image na momo omo de tosoma na omo hu. Omo fa say image nim so nye nhwe ade bi. Pep Guardiola came to inherit a Manchester City culture. Na omo age, especially omo actually honom no. It was an aging side. Because time oba na ehwan na go post nim, Uli Caballero. Ubenya Abrantia, your friend Pablo Zabaleta. Oko on the left side it was Guy Clichy and Abrantia friend Alexander Kolarov.
Yeah.
Ubenya Vincent Company. Ubenya John Stones, Nicolas Otamendi. Intina an aging side wo matchdo. Me pese me fancy etro na because common me didn't watch though. And where the other side of the team now who say Lolito, Mone, Kevin De Bruyne, all of them were there. Fernando Fernandino, okay, those two players. No money now team name. But then commander meeting say when Pep Guardiola came to Manchester City, here and actually honor he realized that there be me team I am komu no. Na me pe a team on better obobo ase the ball na free chin e dia kwa animu. Me pe a team that will have dominance in the game. Into when I saw Obel let go of some of the players. No one ankasa build it, do you no pe. That is why he opted for Claudio Bravo over Joe Hartmo. Okay. Because he felt say Claudio Bravo ni mbo nebo as a goalkeeper or the better form see started play from the back or be say adwuma no.
And even to help where you cry no time oba be visit na no ya obeka say ade a wa regret pa say wa ma Joe Hart
wa ma na da akwanya no.
Yeah.
And so when they actually honom na aside the goalkeeping na or na just say Guy Clichy or a good player. Kolarov a good player but omo nyini especially with Kolarov o nyini ye be here a team and I say a player obetimi ababa ball na bo ni ye Bakari Sanya mo no omun deserve and I say omun nye cut in the shape of no Pep Guardiola and a star. Until along the line okofa akawo kamudi be shemu ni ade no. But on the left side Jack Guy Clichy and Kolarov can also buy the first season and obowie no ojo omo kwan. Why na okofa ne buy? That is where the boy Benjamin Mendy ni di bem. Na just obe ko Monaco akofa Abranti afa ni wasi so saa time na Benjamin Mendy abo Marseille o sha say fi Marseille B ebo the senior side ebo boniye na Monaco for kofa just a single season obebo season we and that end season onya 9 goal contribution o sha 1 goal ono ye 8 assist for AS Monaco boboku no enti papa friend Pep Guardiola said there be let me go for this boy. Because somewhere somehow I see a future for the guy and I feel say me star no one bet me abo. Then time and nay Nuno Mendes born now or born no League One no. Upo bia no bobia na Benjamin Mendy in the League One at that time. And it's that time no yan can so mo Nuno Mendes na Benjamin Mendy.
Okay.
And a Pep Guardiola kofa no e didn't buy. But kofa this guy didn't buy no. There was one problem with the boy. Onya huge salary raise. Ni din be fa baby e ni je ni o feel say me baby na me nam all of a sudden 1 year pe o Monaco Pep Guardiola be fa me and him the clout of Pep Guardiola no o dey ba Premier League in especially with Manchester City entina ma ni 3 mois ne de dead sebe nipa bibi ni adwan na say nipa tuntum adwan sebe scanaba e dey na me be Gabi me ko bombo wi na me ko fie dey na me and a club in the massam nin seven same hunusan wodi etitem bia no wapra the reliability of a boy no na enye papa e friend Pep Guardiola na enso nani enti what that che boy net na say ka chen say Abrante hweso jai sa de na wo ye no won chen ne focus on the game na hweso bobo no but Benjamin Mendy am fa anya asem now fast forward min kate ade ne short na min fam points na so Benjamin Mendy ekonya case and maybe yes and no rape cases, sexual assault, what we nane sa the first two the first two nearby no na and he will dig grounds be brisa until say omo chance who say first two aba and yes ye fair de nkotwim now on my we the first legal outcomes na me the mom on first one into so enti enya a summary of 10 people omo nyina ye ma omo ye omo adwen say omo besiu abrantie no because sebe wato omo mu na say rape case ne sexual assault no omo de akwakoto no so Emma Benjamin Mendy ni carry about form ye nyina nim de eto Benjamin Mendy say osina kan Pogon Poland Pogon suggesting omudi ne de ne bone bibi ho s ne z ni si no mutimi ke kambom no ma atutu de afra but Pogon no sina kan say Poland or 1 year contract and the obeset me I extended by a year na ni rape case ne sa na court issues ne ba no de ha adwin ni case no mu kodi no so hwe a year that year first trial January 2023
yeah
hwe de ya ni blue no not guilty of 6 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault
Timmy Francis 7 cases
yes
ni nyina kra yes ba
ko kren hwe no
correct
yes and omokotna second one so and then the first case is a buyer a indicted and then no questions akona no omoko second one is not guilty of 1 count of rape and 1 count of attempted rape now fa ba akona to so ohwe ba akona kasa the overall outcome no in total fully cleared of all 10 sexual offenses
10
Makuma 10 ni nyina na yesi oni fo after the second one bra ni ehwa ade bi legal outcome and what happened in court na ye court me problem ni o emra na edu ba bia ese di o kire no fa ba na ka de twa ne to ho kakra because ehwa ade wi the legal outcome what happened in court no the anonymity protections mimi na me Benjamin Mendy oba bi se bi mato ne mo na ye ni evidence ye de akokot ye hwim me Benjamin Mendy no manim da abonten madwuma abome
be omo the case ko ye ne
be de o say me ma ye ne bibi no ono de anonymity protection to hwe o kan kwa ase a obon say Sexual Offences Amendment Act 1992 omo de ato onom say omo yesa accusers no omo de emfa omo animu ma ye nko omo ho asem ba bia whether asem ne beba ombedi for ombedi be me nko omo asem ba bia
be wo the person in question
why ya accuse no o de odin na mabonten eno na akofa Benjamin Mendy di dia
be Pogon
yes Pogon no si na akan
play Obo City
yes
a command the whole of salary
yes now omo mfa na eyi ne nto so man ne hwa ade bi sa woton 2018 na World Cup replica no 54 World Cup replica so me replicas the mom 54,000 euros and all they ton and mahu saman for bonachi very good remember we so mahu saman for bonachi kan sem ni bebre e de fa no ho but ono aba social media no be ka say ono ane dia enti de o kan no fa ho ben until case but what people do not understand they say boy ne ho kire no time onya that case no onim say 22 months na Man City ntua neka and we say and currently our case with Man City wini obetime nya close to 11 million from Manchester City
because Atana City phone ntua neka
yes no mun ntua neka and omo trans no 22 months no empanyifo hun say there be emu 5 months and a boy ne ye catch and say omra omo de ne beto jail enti eno ne de he was not available to work
but
17 na kan he was available to work enti ade na nipa ne convicted na mo antua neka it is this where the case stand now on the MHL and he said papa a friend and as a branch friend Benjamin Mendy ne de no na on last one into near DB the civil compensation there must be a many bu on mas am of mo mudi sansem hunu na etwa wo mu kra no on fa to near hwade so where ase ho de on say esro de no criminal charges for accusers and they are aware we ho no
aka down no
civil compensation no yen kind dey see o or say during the trials listen where a court asemo during the trials it was revealed in court cross-examinations that some of the women had, some of them, a manager that snase, a bopo, they had discussed or researched civil compensation claims or suing Manchester City. It is you. Assembly nyina ekofa Benjamin Mendy na hwe ase nyina de bae no. A man who said there be yeni nkomo player no bo Manchester City ne ho da ho sebe ne kala etuntum. Minim say Adam Johnson mo de ne wo emrof ne bi ato me bi wo, but most of the times it is targeted at the black people. Ne ho etuntum. Nti die ne betimi anya de afri no ho. Ye siu na de ne benya from ono ne Manchester City. Nti man ne sheda tena ase. And on would this uncle on say, Yamfa boy no enko court, ni enko pace can free no. And you saw can't say on ma or say because of the criminal proceedings ended in acquittals, no further updates regarding subsequent civil claims or payouts have been made public. Now on fair uncle last one no, me person me can't debut on the legal outcomes no, near shall debut I say. Very good. And the American the aquacutin in any say a man shed that nasi. No more planet. Let's work against this person. No wonder how you been just free no. But one lucky thing a boy and any say the CCTV cameras, the phone recordings, any nipa bi omu or mu si honum so be dia dance e dia boy no. And the Benjamin Mendy free sa issue we nyina mu. And yes by now Benjamin Mendy nko dem. Na ni nyina ko wie no. The problem here is those people who accused him omo nam ho scot free obi ani momo sebe by now kra no betimi aka say omo plan air plot against another person because per the court ensem no kire say omo share that omo bo ase tena ase
enye obi na adwene say sa nete but where from court na kasa from the trials there piaba
enti am omo sa go scot free o. Boy ne ho akire na wie be omo ya omo go scot free enti by now dey na chese omo plan e plot against obi foforo ebi sa besi Thomas de Pate issue ni say e bi na tie enti wuti akira fa bi to hofo uye player fa bi to hofo uye normal person unye player na uye nipa fa bi to hofo sa na ma wi na de to hofo. Because even Benjamin Mendy, a darling boy, a Pep Guardiola, Kofa and Ibeche team, I know Philly say he is the future of football's left back. Because that time, who probably know him the name Kopa or once I crossing a friend and whipping crosses. O Bobo ni say neighbor, oh yeah, striker, they found Hoka born. Okaka when you crab board the Beshe. That is what Pep Guardiola saw in him. But this is what on one kasa so man ho kwan am na mam no one kasa ni nema bi o e tu ni for wentie no and kofa we ba and people those people praying around and when I say praying around as how man no ye come asem omo ho hwe ma me fa me hunko twitwi ne kakra e bi onim baby onim ye bibi na say me de no kokota menya ska de afrim because if you go to the white man's land ya no mo mra na favor women and children more say mema enti fa bi to ho. Now, my free on I call other cases. FIFA the end also be me the home community. Maybe we are nam the end we.
Yeah, what 10 minutes we are the
okay, sure. Omama Alexis Malavolta. This is the agent for Abrante friend Bruno Guimaraes. Oko Arsenal. Ye didn't come in say Arsenal the my hot cake. Transfer stories na man for commerce papa. Now Alexis Malavolta, who image that say on the agent for Abrante for Bruno Guimaraes, and no call the IG no co post this image at the toho. Why na who Vinicius Junior Bruno Guimaraes, and we are there people will read meanings into it. At the end, patchere, not just a boy no, only Vini a bit me have a book game. Ewo Arsenal manaye.
Yeah,
and a 30 if you no post you. It means that there's something deep in down there. And we ask now, Fana. They say Joshua, Kingsman, Vinicius, the enemy. To me, spend the time to be as to about one or more higher. But we ask now, Fana, who so, hey, now see a Bruno Guimaraes. On only see can was through. Until you bet me and you're not saying Vinicius, I'm telling you today, possible.
Okay.
Arsenal is having the financial background. So bet me out of Bruno. As out of Vinicius and Ney Amanayi. Omo plan for these two players no separate enye in one package.
Yeah.
Ebia is separate. Ebia deal one ni separate line. And Bruno dear no, the ebe boa Arsenal panini. Newcastle, time na Joshua ye omo adwuma no. Dabi, Newcastle omo project na gu. No kra ne one. Omo project na gu. Dimitri Robilovlev, okay, AS Monaco. Obey as I didn't be honum. Time or more relegation or pick you from the League 2. And or do buy the League 1. E did the more no timid or more ebe J the League 1 title in somewhere 2016. That was the time Major Mendy Monesa
Falcao Motaro.
Very good. Ufa air Chelsea. Roman Abramovich be take you over. Chelsea was a nobody's team.
Yeah.
Can bait more time or more a jet team no one not Chelsea new team papa be a sebe. Obe take over. He pumped in money. Chelsea be Chelsea. Manchester City the same thing. Take over by they pumped in money. They say Man City the most talked about club in England. Paris Saint-Germain the same thing. The takeover came. They pumped in money.
Tottenham,
right now
the same thing at Tottenham so ago.
Say I want to sue yebi. And whenever a takeover comes, you expect that team, no whether or yes small or big, you expect them to make something meaningful and impactful thing. 2021, Memu, and at the takeover of Newcastle and Basso. You must say about this say by this time, what have they achieved? And right now, what's now heard the direction of the club? But do you see any future for them there? Maybe I'll be back as an asset PSG or much chance or Modi UEFA Champions League. But an instant impact in the league. Take over and buy an almost for a league, no bomb, we had there. Chelsea the same thing, take over and buy an instant impact. Manchester City the same thing, an instant impact. Dimitri Robilovlev Modiano, oh yes, Monaco, the same thing they were from the League 2, an instant impact, or the more qualified by League 1. Did the one almost have a jail League 1 be this year, Manaso? So
recently, Inter, and so yeah, the same thing. Yeah. Inter and Swaji Omodia. Almost
so say Inter Omu League in Omodia, I shall say Omodia. And San Obino Mabe compete. But Newcastle then, can you say same for that?
No.
There be. And the reason is this. Newcastle, and Pennyphone be take you over. Since May 2021 up till and then, or must spend this car on players or more to the other team minimum over 800 million. What we sound say, how do you balance the books? You can't just buy because you are working under something. There's something that we call the FFP, FIFA Fair Play Rule. That is why last season, Omunya that ban from UEFA, next Omuko to 6 million. And Omuko to but this time around, as a working under that straight air rules, no. What on 800 million be show team name? What on saying? And how they balance your books? Most of them produce academy players behind a cassette where they more turn direct into a cancel out Scasem Derby. Or more 800 million plus, no, not or more turn just under and answer somewhere around 400 million. And then no can the MS can the page, Nancy Anthony Gordon, Alexander Isak, Bruno Gemaya Shmudi Babekosi, and one more music can page you, or moon ton player and ye. Omukofa players neba and an undisclosed fee agent and away a free agent and away because that is what they were doing. They were mismanaging their finances. And they say baby omui. So Ubu sound say which player and they so meet me akwafanaba. E two goalkeepers be unti omudi nkrada.
Yeah.
Omune na namunche baby a untimi so omunya the attraction of top-notch players. And this is the reason. Ewo Newcastle honum. And say, see a baby, they will need money. And to ask now, they wouldn't pay a 100 million crowd for Bruno Guimaraes. And per what I'm gathering right now, I say 75 to 80 on meet me there for boy.
Okay.
And I'm offering you then it will left with Vinicius Junior. So ask now for me for Vinicius. And per what I'm gathering right now, Madrid for no more said there be one ancha emfa. So I'm fast saying a bedia free no Madrid air setting the figures now around 150. And per the conversation, she say personal agreement, so 30 million ne one Vini pay from Madrid no more for man per the personal agreement no Vini camp. And Arsenal for na to meaning say Arsenal for net me assure almost met me the says canamano say it will be left with the club to club. Some bejatum say okay you the 100 million bambeje, you the 120 bambeje, you the 150 bambeje. That is the only thing left. And Vinicius Junior said that my brothers need to kind of come on. If he comes to the Premier League, for me, I think he will make an impactful meaning to Arsenal team. No.
Okay. 2 minutes per hour way in home
okay.
Because as I 11 year Befi na
sure. My main Manchester United Arsenal squad. My fan to China menye FIFA edition.
Okay.
Look. Omama me Jared Kushner ene Gianni Infantino image na me dem awomo no. People will say, what is the history behind these two players? I come on Jared Kushner, very good. And they are this is the man. See, I mean, say Jared Kushner. Or no, and then you Joshua Kushner. Na anko mo hwese sa 20 billion no. Sa 4.2 billion and I'm beche chediama fees no. Ebeba so no. Or no nearly did that no. And or a family member to Sir Joshua Kushner no. And this Jared Kushner na I can ask him. No him say or no. On now what Papa friend Donald Trump ne baba Ivanka Trump no way back in 2009 and oware no obey to Donald Trump to the extent say it would have been on a serve as the senior advisor or parliament US or honum besides not necessarily Donald Trump ne campaign the digital side no the social media near me abonti on na lead so it tells you say a big influence on Donald Trump. And that's all that connection with him. And on no so leading Donald Trump to Nhyira Joshua Kushner. And to we no and on no ankasa na say lead Gianni Infantino ne Trump relationship no.
Oh okay.
And to meet we no and no introduce you Nhyira no. And that idea ne buy. And he say among for number B especially the UEFA people no more ka say one person's project I no correct. And yet from Gianni Infantino. It is from the Kushner family. Specifically, Kushner ni Nhyira Joshua Kushner. On the lead that tribe capital. And I did that idea ne buy for Gianni Infantino to take. Now, ayana me din komobi. In the circle that you find yourself in, yemfa say me ba hey, mahu Mr. Jude, mahu Ogabi, mahu Fatilo, and I me ba ye sebi bia munim we ye kakra. Ohun de meche no munim ye kakra na mbetoma ye nenam na one day bi me hwe na me try de ba kon hwe ade e be faw. It is the circle that you find yourself in. If you are not careful enough the omo ye bia obi and ye be say Donald Trump e de na ye associated to him konkoti sem the meka no we de na be and people no omo ye around him omo advising Jared Kushner ye hu say sa no nso ne tie. And Nhyira Joshua Kushner no into the advice that came no was said Gianni Infantino this is what we are proposing. And Gianni Infantino so ehun saade no on man ya said don't go and have a meeting with your members straight away bring it out on deliberate skasem anye bia nipa o man ya we say skase na obenya e den a obesakamu to it. And no be sa tactics ni bi Donald Trump tactics ni bi na Gianni Infantino and our backfire. In say see ameno ka say no I clearly understand say a backfire and backfire because no cry near one na a discover brave football Ghana we say 40 million na e be boaye but to the larger extent e be kwa ko say football be time because in World Cup ye bo final na just ye train for more than 30 minutes because ye bo show half-time show for what particular reason. So for me, I think that this thing now I scrap off no. I'm very happy say I scrapped off.
Okay.
Though say on the positive side, no can discover be raw football mo, but even scan be raw football no, and particular associations and as continents especially Africa, Bia, America, North America, South America, honom ne ebi oceania omo na nke be boa mo. But Europeans na there, the enti omo nyintum. On England no here say be 40 million and why in football. Germany here 40 million, France here for those clubs, those nations they don't need the money.
Well,
so for now, I think it's good. Because of that mentality now need a bear one man's project and a Bema football too much politics and a better football. So I'm happy with that.
So I know the foreign bit and I won't come on na ya de abro now ya be fina ya ba be di efi enkomo